Put the pencil on the dot. Come down. Go up and stop. Now go slant up. Go back. Come slant down. Put the pencil on the dot. Come down straight. Now the next sound is Put the pencil on the dot. Come down. Go up. Turn around. Come down. Go up. Turn around. And then come down. Stop. Now the next sound is Put the pencil on the dot. Come down. Go up. Turn around. Come down. Stop. Okay, now I write down O. Put the pencil on the dot. Go round and round. O. Now next sound is O. Put the pencil on the dot. Come down straight. Go up. Turn around. O. Now the next sound is Ko. Put the pencil on the dot. Go round. Go up. Come down straight and make a kick. Now the next sound Put the pencil on the dot. Come down straight. Go up and then turn a little.